We are here in the desert with day and night temperature difference exceeding 40 degrees Celsius to work continuously with high efficiency all the day in all weathers. We are here in the polar alpine region at -40 degrees to guarantee the safety and smoothness of trunk roads. We are here on the plateau at an altitude of 4,000 meters in the hot and humid rainforest and in the harsh mining environments around the world to deal with various arduous challenges with ease. We are gathering the global industrial wisdom in offering the world-class commercial vehicle products to serve the global customers. We are on the stage of the world. We are here with you. In 1960, we built China's first heavy-duty truck. We keep learning and innovating to continuously improve the vehicles. Today, we are gathering the global wisdom with the sole purpose of creating possibilities with greater excellence. We have the sole National Heavy-Duty Vehicle Engineering and Technology Research Center in China. From research and development to massive tests, we check at all levels to ensure the excellent performance of every component and part, and endow every vehicle with reliable quality. We have the Advanced Smart Manufacturing Plan 4.0, which is provided with the world's advanced manufacturing equipment and technology. To produce the world-class commercial vehicle products. Our plants are globally deployed to shorten the lead time just for being closer to you. Our commercial vehicle service covers 116 countries and regions worldwide to create business values for an increasing number of customers and to achieve win-win development. To build a world-class full-series commercial vehicle group is our vision and is also the work source that drives us forge ahead continuously. We'll take a much more open gesture for customers around the world. We focus on the core value of aiming at the satisfaction of our customers. We are customer-focused, and we have insight into markets to better understand your needs. On the highway, at construction sites, in the cities, in the mines, in every corner of the world, we all there. Being more reliable, safer, more comfortable, more efficient are what we pursue. We work together with you to overcome difficulties. We enjoy pleasance with you. And we also feel passion and happiness with you. We not only develop and manufacture the trucks that you need the most, but also provide more professional and meticulous service. Anytime, anywhere, we are always with you. Be your most trustworthy work partner. We are dedicated to promoting the development of smart logistics, to creating the world-class smart driving technologies. We prioritize the safety of drivers and passengers. We realize the smart management and control by using the digital technologies. We fully protect the safety of all road users. For the sake of a greener tomorrow and for the more closely linked future of mankind, we are committed to the research and development of clean energies to make the vehicles more eco-friendly, to reduce the carbon emission, and to strive for sustainable development. We provide diverse trainings and broad career prospects for our staff. They work with fun, with passion. They make achievements and enjoy life in here. Happiness is a kind of power. We create happiness and also enjoy the happiness during the creation. We are more willingly to pass on the power to every corner of the world. We practice the idea of sustainable development. For bigger goals, for closer companionships, for more efficient deliveries, and for deeper trust, we are always here with you to forge ahead, side by side, to create a better life, and to embrace the world and the future. Sinotruk.